Do you want to be happy? Do you want to be sad? You decide. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Ooh, we got straight here for you today. Hey. So today we talking about this Butter Lace 18 wig. I have the color number 2. This is from Sensational, and it's gonna be quick. It's gonna be easy. It's gonna be pretty simple. Stay tuned to hear my thoughts. Hit that subscribe button for me. Give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the loan. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you
Alright, so we're done putting on this wig. I have the Butter Lace Unit 18. Y'all, we on 18 in 2022. I wonder what we gonna go up to. Y'all, we on 18. When did this happen, when did this happen, Sensational? How did we get to 18? Anyway, so this is the Butter Lace unit. If you're not familiar with this, this is a very my eyes are burning. So if you're not familiar with this wig, this is a very beginner-friendly wig. This is a standard lace part wig. This is from the Butter Lace collection. It's from the makers of the Wet Lace collection, which has that frontal. You're not going to get a frontal. You're just going to get a basic lace part. As far as this wig goes, it's just like all the Butter Lace units if you have been watching my channel. But if not, let's go ahead and talk about her. Standard lace part. You're going to get a lace frontal effect. And then that's pretty much it. So all I did with this wig is I put her on. This is an on and gone wig, y'all. I'm not even gonna act like there's something more to it. I am a little bit disappointed that these Butter Lace units aren't as pre-plucked as the stock card does say. I don't know what's going on with these Butter Lace units, but the fact that we're telling you guys that they're not that pre-plucked, I wish Sensational will work on that a little bit. As far as the cap goes, she feels pretty comfortable. If your hair is flat, I feel like it works. The length, this wig is just, it's a silky straight wig. I thought this wig would be a little bit more yucky, but she's silky, y'all. She real silky. So if you're looking for a bone straight silky wig, this is her. I don't know why, but this stock card made me feel like she was a little bit more fuller and yak. So we have seen the Butter Lace, I think it's 6, where it was like this, but that one to me had a little bit more weight to it. This one is definitely more silky. And as far as the length goes, this is how she's looking. Do you want to be happy? Do you want to be sad? You decide. Anyway, this is all the hair to the front and all the hair to the back. All right. And as far as the density goes, this is a very natural density. It's not too thick. It's not too thin. It's kind of more on the thin side to me, but you know, it's an everyday density. It looks a little bit more fuller on the stock card. I'm a little disappointed. She is shedding quite a bit on me. I don't know, it's shedding quite a bit. And it is extra silky, y'all. It is silky, it's flowing, it's very silky. There's no weight on this wig at all. I would say that it's more like a human hair silky versus like a Barbie doll silky. So it's not like cheap silky. It's more like a human hair dupe silky. If you want a silky straight human hair wig, this is it. You know, I wish the density was a little bit more thicker, but yeah, she's silky. You got some layers in here, but she's cute. I mean, she gets the job done if this is what you're looking for. I don't know what you're looking for, girl. She's okay if this is what you're looking for. If you want a silky straight wig, boom, boom. This is what she is. I did only go in with my bedhead spray right here. That's all I feel like she needed. Put a wig grip on so she don't slide back on you, and you're gonna be okay. I didn't go down on the sides. I don't think that was necessary. When you have these standard lace parts, I feel like that's all you really need. It's just security right here. I didn't go in with any baby hairs. I didn't have to put any heat on this, and I just put her on, and that's it. And my eyes are burning because this light is bright. And I have the color number 2. There are other colors in here. You're gonna get your flamboyage colors and some money piece colors. No balayage colors in here, but you get a nice range of colors in this collection, and that's pretty much it. If I had to make a choice between this straight Butta Lace unit and Butta Lace, is it 6? I think it is 6. I would go with 6. I don't know why, but that one was a little bit more attractive to me. It was a little bit more weight and like yucky. This one is just more silkier, but you might want a silky wig, so I can't tell you what to get. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. Why is my subscribe always crooked? Oh my god. Hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.
When I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay